Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents using Adobe Acrobat. Digital signatures offer incredible convenience and efficiency, transforming how we handle paperwork. You'll learn how to securely apply your signature, saving you time and effort. This process is straightforward and ensures your documents are professionally handled. Get ready to streamline your workflow and embrace the ease of electronic signing with confidence. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started right away. First, let's create your digital signature. Open your document in Adobe Acrobat and locate the Fill and Sign tool. Here, you'll have three options. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, type it out in a chosen font, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Once you've created it, remember to save it. This makes it readily available for all your future documents, ensuring a consistent and professional look every time you need it. Now that your signature is ready, applying it to a document is simple. From the Fill and Sign toolbar, select your saved signature. Then, just click on the exact spot in your document where you want it to appear. You can easily adjust its size and position to fit perfectly. Take a moment to ensure it looks just right before finalizing the placement. This step ensures your document is officially marked and ready for the next stage, all with just a few clicks. Finally, after signing, it's crucial to save and share your document properly. Always save your signed file, perhaps with a new name, to distinguish it from the original. This preserves your changes and the integrity of the signature. You can then securely share it via email or your preferred cloud service. Adobe Acrobat helps ensure that recipients can easily verify the digital signature, adding an extra layer of trust and professionalism to your communications. You're now fully equipped to sign documents digitally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.